Does your PC take ages to load even small things like File Explorer, or does it give you low FPS in games? I've got a simple fix for that. There's a Windows setting that controls how much power your PC is allowed to use. The more power it uses, the better the performance. By default, Windows keeps this on balanced, which actually holds your system back. To change this, go to the Windows search bar and type "Choose a power plan." Open it and switch from balance to high performance. For most people, this alone already improves responsiveness and FPS. If you want even more performance, there's an option called Ultimate Performance, but it's hidden by default. To enable it, open Command Prompt as administrator, paste this command, and press Enter. I've put the command in the description. Just copy it from there. After that, close Command Prompt, go back to Control Panel, open Power Options, and select Ultimate Performance. That's it. Your PC should now feel faster, load apps quicker, and perform better in games, especially if you're on a low-end or older system. Hope this helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and useful PC tutorials.